Welcome back. In part 11, every agent constructor control got a job, name and model set identity, instructions and model underscore settings shape behavior, tools and tool use underscore behavior controlled actions, and output underscore type plus hooks made results typed and observable. Today we open the tools slot and separate 3 capability boundaries. If this video helped you understand AI agents, please give it a like and subscribe. Think of capability as picking the right door in a workshop. First, ask where the work belongs. For example, fresh information belongs outside your app. If you rebuild platform services yourself, maintenance grows and production behavior fails in surprising places. When the agent needs an Acme order or refund rule, your Python code owns that action. The fix is a function tool. If a customer asks a narrow product question, a specialist can answer as one bounded capability and return value to the manager. Think of tool choice like choosing who should do the job, not just naming the job. Hosted means OpenAI runs the capability. For example, WebSearchTool, FileSearchTool, and CodeInterpreterTool cover platform work without custom infrastructure. Function tools run in your code. Use @function_tool when lookup_order or issue_refund must follow Acme business rules. Agent.as tool keeps the specialist inside your app. Lesson 9's manager pattern calls a specialist and receives a value. Think of hosted tools as services you call instead of machines you operate. WebSearchTool handles current web information on OpenAI's infrastructure. What breaks without it is a custom search wrapper you now maintain. FileSearchTool keeps retrieval in a hosted capability. The fix is to use that boundary when file search already fits. CodeInterpreterTool runs code through a managed execution capability. That matters when the agent needs computation without another local service. Think of your application code as the counter where real business actions happen. @function_tool turns a typed Python function into a callable capability. For example, the agent can call code instead of guessing. Lookup_order gets Acme order data from your code. Missing this boundary means the agent answers without the source of truth. Issue_refund performs the business action in your application. Handle that in code, so refund policy stays testable and controlled. Think of this as asking a teammate for one answer, then returning to the main desk. The manager recognizes the product detail question. For example, it decides the main support flow needs help from a narrower expert. The specialist agent runs as one callable tool. What breaks if it grows too broad is routing becomes hard to debug. The value returns to the manager, and the manager keeps the user-facing conversation. That boundary keeps the workflow predictable. Think of a broken tool as a stop checkout lane. Before the agent responds, it needs a safe recovery path. First, the agent calls flaky_health_check. This controlled failure scenario shows exactly where recovery begins in the run. Next, the function throws runtime error, upstream timeout. What breaks without handling is the whole support run can crash. Then failure_error_ function converts the exception into LLM-friendly text. The fix gives the model context it can use. Finally, the recovery message says the tool failed transiently and suggests retry later. That keeps the run useful instead of silent. The important pattern is not the fake timeout. The pattern is the boundary. Let the tool fail clearly. Let failure_error_ function translate it. and let the agent continue with honest recovery text instead of pretending the tool worked. A broken health check is useful here because the failure is controlled. In lesson_12_SDK_tools.py_tool_text returns tool failed transiently, upstream timeout. Suggest the user retry later. Then at function_tool, failure_error_function equals _tool_text. Connects that fix to flaky_health_check, which raises runtime error, upstream timeout, on purpose. Now watch the tool list become the lesson. The agent named Acme Support, L12, keeps support_GENT_P or OMPT and support reply, then combines *L_T_OOLS, WebSearchTool, product_specialist as_tool, tool_name equals answer_product, and flaky_health_check. One list now mixes hosted, function, and agent.as tool capability. When you run Python lesson_12_SDK_tools.py, inspect two boundaries. WebSearchTool runs on OpenAI's infrastructure, so you do not host search yourself. Then flaky_health_check fails with upstream timeout, and the SDK turns that exception into text the LLM can use. The expected behavior is graceful degradation. Tell the customer to retry later instead of crashing the support workflow. What breaks first is context bloat. For example, if a tool returns a huge order payload, every byte becomes context for the next turn. The fix is to trim aggressively. What goes wrong next is maintenance debt. If WebSearchTool already covers search, a custom search wrapper is extra code your production team must own. Two different failures look similar but need different fixes. Catching tool exceptions inside the function hides failures from the LLM. Use failure_error_function so the SDK can route recoverable text. Agent.as_tool is also wrong when the specialist needs the user. Use handoffs from lesson 10, because AsTool only returns a value to the manager. Think of the final decision as choosing who owns the work after the model asks for help. Choose hosted when OpenAI should run the capability. For example, current information belongs in WebSearchTool, not a custom wrapper. Choose function when your code owns the action. Acme order lookup and refund rules stay controlled when Python handles them. Choose agent.as tool when the manager needs a specialist value. The user stays with the manager while the specialist returns an answer. Choose handoff when the specialist needs the user. That fix transfers the conversation instead of hiding interaction behind a value. Lock this in as the mental model. Hosted tools reach platform capability, function tools run your application code, and agent.as tool brings back specialist value. The capstone uses all three categories in the complete Acme workflow. Next, Part 13 adds sessions and tracing with SQLiteSession and trace, so the agent can remember runs and show what happened.